Hello guys.
Assalamu-Alaikum.
Welcome back to another new video.
My name is Nabila Rahman and you are watching Techy Splash. Today I will show you how to hide the number of subscriber on YouTube channel. So let's start. Go to YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio. Go to setting. Go to channel. Go to advanced setting. Uncheck the box.